In this video, we'll be going over the following problem. In the upcoming week, the chance that it will rain on any given day is 50%. What is the probability that it rains on at least one day in the upcoming week? Well, one way to find out what the probability of it raining on at least one day in the upcoming week is by taking the probability of it raining exactly once in the upcoming week and adding to that the probability of it raining exactly twice, and so on, by adding the probability of it raining on exactly 3 days, 4 days, 5 days, 6 days, and 7 days. Now, since none of these individual probabilities overlap, for example, if you take the probability of it raining on exactly 2 days and the probability of it raining on exactly 3 days, you're not going to be double counting anything. So ultimately, this is a completely valid way of approaching this problem. But that method can get very tedious, and there's a much faster way to solve this problem. And so the trick here is that the probability that it rains on at least one day in the upcoming week is 1 minus the probability that it doesn't rain at all. This probability right here captures a scenario in which there's no rain at all in the entire week. So everything else, the remaining probability, which is what the 1 minus gives us, is a chance that it rains on at least one day. And so now all we have to do is compute the probability of it not raining at all. The problem tells us that the chance of rain on a given day is 50%, which means that the chance that it won't rain is 50% as well, which is 1/2. Now, since there are 7 days, the probability of it not raining on any of those 7 days is 1/2 to the 7th power, which is 1 over 128. And so the probability that it rains on at least one day in the week is 1 minus 1 over 128, which is 127 over 128. And so the probability that it rains on at least one day in the upcoming week is 127 over 128.